Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. Here we are again. This is the rest of the turkey meat I got at the food pantry. And so last night I made some curry with the meat, and I just cut it in cubes and I ground it in the blender. You can use any kind of turkey meat. They have turkey meat at Walmart. So I thought, wow, I think I'm going to use the same recipe. So I have some onions because I stockpile big bags of onions. I got these onions from the food pantry. Okay. There was no ingratitude towards the food pantry, you guys. On my birthday, I got very sick. And some of the followers were not very gracious about it either. And I found out that $125 of my money was gone. And that is my grocery money, okay? So what I said to myself, wow, what am I going to do? Well, I made myself go to the food pantry. I didn't actually know how that was going to play out. But what happened is after a month, now mind you, that is 1 month, EBT came in. Between that time, I went to the food pantry. Not only did I get food, but a family of 4 got food. So there's no ingratitude towards the food pantry. None. Most of the food was expired. That's why they donated it. And some of it was nearly rotten. Okay? That's the truth. If you don't like it, kiss my ass. That's the truth. Okay, I have a little garlic and parsley. There's prophecy that in the end times, people will be so hungry, they will eat food knowing that it's not fit to be eaten, and they will die of food poisoning. You want to be careful, you guys. It's a dangerous time. Don't listen to people who don't care about you. I think some of the people that followed me, their true colors were showing. And if you sat in your house watching my videos for God knows how long, then you should be ready for this pandemic. Okay, this makes 2 cups. So I made 3 cups of chicken broth. And what was so good about that recipe is it's so quick. So you fry your meat until it's no longer pink. And this is going to make a lot of food. So I needed to cook up my meat. And I needed to cook it up today. So things couldn't have worked out better. A lot of people go, you're just lucky. Well, I put myself out there and I told you guys what happened. And the followers told me call 211. And the followers told me, how to look it up. And then I told my followers, did I know I was going to take some crap? Yeah, I knew I was going to take some crap. But if there's a family out there that does what I did, another thing is, furthermore, I'm sure there's people that did what I did. Now, another thing, I think the highest risk population is older women. And those are most of my followers. And they are easily, intimidated. There is a lot of damn bullying going on. These police people, they're policing society for the good of humanity, yet they're stupid-ass people. So don't let these people bully you. If you need food, if you don't have any money, go get it now while you can. Okay, so now what happened so all that unpleasantness is behind us now. I'm not blocking anybody. But, if you're just here to be obnoxious, you might want to ask yourself why. You might want to ask yourself if my content could possibly help somebody. Okay, so I have about a tablespoon of flour, and this is the way they did it. And that chicken curry was so yummy, you guys. I want easy meals. Okay, so now I told you guys about a concept. If you cut your food in small pieces, it's going to go further. I cut a lot of chicken breasts up as well. Okay, so now I want to add my chicken bouillon. And I want to make myself a nice little batch of stew. And it's not expensive. Some people are very offensive. You know, I was in the beauty business. And, you know, I would have a lot of women, you know, come in and try to cause crap in my salons. And I learned they don't respond too nice. No. You try to be nice. You try to be nice. They keep pushing you around. It's a form of bullying. I really hate it. And, you know, I personally would refuse to do their hair. I go, you know, I don't need your money. And believe me, I didn't go to work because I didn't need money. Now, let's put the rest in. But I am a pretty long-suffering person. I remember, I'll tell you a hair salon story. Is this woman came in, and she was kicking up dust. And finally, I said, get out. And she slugged me in my hair cutting shoulder. And I said, get out. And she slugged me again as hard as she could. And at that time, I got mad because I have a very bad temper. And I said, I'm calling the police because that is assault and battery. And when I get back here, I'm going to kill you. And if I got my hands on her, I would probably be in the penitentiary about now. But fortunately for me, she ran. And then, you know, all of her friends were worried. You know, assault and battery, assault and battery. I go, nothing. That's how I earn a living, cutting hair, you idiots. Okay, you guys, here is my chicken stew. It's gonna taste good. I mean, look at that. That's a lot of food, and you could serve it with mashed potatoes. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.